at the age of 24 or 25, I will become a judge and then I will be the one serving justice in the society. Wait. Shall I become an advocate and earn a lot of money litigating in High Court and Supreme Court? क्या यही सवाल आपको हमेशा सताते रहते हैं? तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. Judiciary and litigation. Both these career options are equally important as well as equally challenging. So let's discuss some pros and cons of these career options, and then individually you can decide which career option suits you the best. So we'll begin with two most important benefits of judiciary, that is job security and work-life balance. Now if we compare with private sector or litigation, judiciary has more job security as it is a government job, of course. Secondly, work-life balance. अब आप कितना भी कह लो, लड़कियों को at some point कुछ ना कुछ restrictions या फिर limitations face करने ही पड़ते हैं. For instance, most of the girls in India cannot travel alone at night, even if it's for work purpose. And at some point, they have to ensure work-life balance. Now, I'm not saying it's not true for boys, but yes, it's definitely true for girls. And also, we cannot deny the fact that लड़कियों को लड़कों से कुछ कम साल मिलते हैं for becoming financially independent.
एंड इसके अलावा जुडिशरी की ये कुछ प्लस एंड माइनस पॉइंट्स है.
अब अगर हम लिटिगेशन के बारे में बात करें तो इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट करियर ऑप्शन फॉर अ लॉ स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज इसमें सक्सेस के लिए कोई लिमिट नहीं है. बट एट द सेम टाइम, एज वी से गुड थिंग्स टेक टाइम, दिस करियर ऑप्शन डिमांड्स लॉट ऑफ डेडिकेशन, एफर्ट्स, and most importantly lot of time from you. So if you can work with dedication for 3-4 years without expecting any monetary returns, then this career option is of course the best for you. And also for those who have legal background, उनके लिए थोड़ा easy बन जाता है. But I won't say it becomes very easy, because at the end the success rate in litigation depends upon skills of a particular individual and not upon his background. Other than this, one of the limitations which judges have to face is they cannot involve much into social gatherings and society, and on the other hand, lawyers are the one who have to develop their network and interact with as much people as they can, which in return helps to boost their career itself.
और ये लिटिगेशन के कुछ प्लस एंड माइनस पॉइंट्स है, बट मैं तो कहूँगी कि ये प्रोज एंड कॉन्स की जो लिस्ट है ये हर स्टूडेंट के लिए सेम नहीं है, क्योंकि किसी इंट्रोवर्ट स्टूडेंट के लिए limited social interaction would be a plus point and not a negative point. So accordingly, go through all the points carefully and put yourself in that situation and analyze whether it would be a good point for you or a minus point. And then only come to a conclusion. Apart from this, if you have any questions, you can write it in the comment section. Thank you so much.